This is the Clean Shower Daily Shower Cleaner Spray. This is specifically for mildew stains, but I also like to use it just to keep everything nice and clean, especially between days that I'm washing my shower. I tend to clean it weekly, but I'll use this every shower I use. I'll just spray it once I'm done showering and the shower's still wet. I just spray this down in the corners, along the hardware, all of that, along the drain. Keeps it smelling really clean, and it prevents soap, scum, hard water, and other stains, which is really nice. I love this. I feel like it helps just keep the shower held up and keeps it clean just over time. So it's really great. I love this and would highly recommend it.